Now, if there's one thing that we can all agree on in the SEO space at the minute, it's that a lot of us are seeing click numbers decline due to Google's implementation of AI overviews, AI mode, etc., etc. So I wanted to show you a cool little thing within GA4 that you can set up in 1 to 2 minutes so you can see what acquisition models are working best for you in terms of generating interest in your site. So we're starting on the GA4 homepage here. We're going to click into the report section, and then we're going to click into acquisition and user acquisition. And then we're going to head into the user acquisition report. And then from here, we're going to click this customize report button. Side note, if you don't have that customize report button within your GA4 account, it's because you don't have the right permission levels. So it might be worth asking an admin if they can give you the right permission levels, asking your client or asking someone else in your team who does have the right permissions to do this for you. So from here, we're going to see this report data section. We're going to click metrics. We're going to click add metric, and then we're going to type in views per session. And this views per session is what GA4 replaced pages per session with. So we're going to click apply. And then once we've clicked apply, we'll click save changes to the current report. We'll click save again. And now that this report's saved, we're going to click back. So we're going to head back into the main user acquisition report viewing screen within GA4. And then once we're here, now we'll see within this table, we'll see views per session here. And now we can use this data to see what acquisition methods are driving the most interested visitors. So using our data as an example, we can see that organic search has around 2.7 pages per session. We can see direct has over 4 views per session. Referral is about 2.6. We can even go down here and we can see that page search is over 7 views per session. So we can combine that data. We can see what people are interested in when they come from different places. We can then combine that with user key event rate, and we can see what acquisition methods for us drive the most interested visitors and the most visitors who are likely to complete one of our key events, like clicking one of our guides or signing up to a trial, etc. And then, like we always preach at SEO testing, we can use this data to find what works and then double down on it. And there we have it. Simple, quick tip, 1 to 2 minutes of setup on your end, and a little bit more use comes from that GA4 data.